Hello, namaste viewers. Welcome once again to MKH Astro Vastu One channel. We are here again with the series, with the new series, because as a motive we have started from Jyotish basics to advanced. We are in between made some sort of videos which is useful for our viewers on viewers demand. But as of now, we are starting with the basical planets, the grahas. So we are beginning as usual today with us Hiral Parik ji. Welcome Hiral Parik to the show.
Thank you, Manjunath ji. Welcome to all the viewers.
So once again, Hiral ji, we have planned for a planetary series, that is Graha ka jo series hota hai, the main thing.
Yes.
Here we can begin with the main thing, the sun. Means sun
Yes.
is Karaka for Jyotish.
Yes, sun is
And
Karaka for Jyotish.
sun is Trideva. Sun is all sort of thing. If we people are making a video, this is all of because of sun, a sunlight, a source light, everything. We can't describe sun in a 20-25 minutes video, but we can cover up the major points for our viewers so that our viewers can be aware of the sun and they can know the Karaka for Jyotish, how it is helpful, all these things. So I want to share the small slide regarding the sun so that viewers can thoroughly see that. So basically, overall, the Surya, the sun, the Surya is king. King because it is a origin of a source. In entire the galaxy, whatever the Milky Way galaxy or entire world realm, first, as we discussed, ether comes first. Ether is a source of existence. Once there is a source of existence, then there is a source of a light. The source of a light thought process come, or it might be a tangible one, means it is a seeable one. That is the source is called as the sun. The sun
Yes.
acts to be a king here. Means in kingdom, sun is a king. So this is a basic image of a sun, Lord Sun. Here, sun chariot is having the major 7 horses. So when we are going to describe this, sun has huge significance of these horses. Because sun, as you know, sun is sun only. Because whatever the thing, the king is ultimate to any region or any source, correct?
Yes, he holds the maximum power and he is the supreme authority.
Yes. Here, astrologically, what is the importance? These 7 horses are known with the different names. The first beginning with Gayatri, Brihati, Ushnisha, Jagati, Trishbhuta, Anushbhuta, and Pankti.
Yes.
So these 7 horses are known to be 7 colors of the rainbow. And it can link with our 7 chakra within us. Sapta chakra, which contains from Mooladhara to Sahasrara chakra. These represents 7 chakras inside our spine.
Yes.
And these symbolism of horses is a clue for these sources. So
Right.
it says that Surya runs our lives. We don't run our lives. Surya runs our lives. As you know, whenever the sun rises up, we will begin up with our processes. All the
Yes.
things will fall in place. All the matters will run up. Means it is entire source of whatever our biological clock is entirely controlled by the Lord Sun.
Correct.
And regarding the chakras, the one who opens their Kundalini chakras are no longer bound by the sun. They can become their own sun, means their self as a sun. This might be a higher concept. In other concept, we can cover this, but this is a one clue I am giving.
Right.
So this is why all the saints who are honest, authentic, and real actually have a halo of bright light. It is called as aura.
Yes.
So which we have discussed in our some of the videos in a praying of Lord. Viewers can see that video also. We can
Yes.
share a link of that one also. And the thing is, it was an indication this soul is divine. Means as Surya is a Karaka for our soul. It is a Atma Karaka. So it is an indication that our soul is very divine.
Very rightly said, Manjunath ji, that sun is our soul.
Yes.
It is the major reason that we are born on this earth, and we have to pay for our sins, and that is one of the reasons that we have to pray to Lord Sun every day. Sun, not only Sun, even all the planets, which are all the seven physical planets, they are actual entity. They are living and breathing entities. They see us, they hear us, they understand us very well. So the Shastras have already given us a lot of importance, has made us understand that we have to pray to these deities, and Surya is the most important planet we should worship.
Yes.
So here comes the role of Sun in astrology. I would like to share with everybody that the life on the earth is sustained due to the presence of the Almighty Sun. There would be no life without light of Sun. So the extreme power, and the planets revolve around the Sun due to the gravitational force. These are the things which give us power, which empower us to create our routine activities, to stay alive, and it gives us immune capacity, so
Yes.
that we can run our lives. We can develop a good immune system because of the Sun. So
Correct.
he is also known as the Prana. Prana
Pran.
means giving the life. He is the
Exactly.
life giver. So he plays a very vital, important role in our human beings, to any creature of this world,
Yes.
rather to say only human beings. So the importance of Lord Sun increases a lot with respect to the Vedic astrology also.
Yes.
And all the planets, they also depend on Sun. Not only we, all the planets also depend on the Sun, and so he is the most powerful of all the planets, because all the planets are being emerged from the Sun himself.
Correct.
So due to this power, he is considered as the king of our solar system, and
Exactly.
he is the primary force of energy.
Yes. Rightly said,
So
Hiralji, like it is a
yes,
primary source of
energy.
energy, primary source of a life. And as
Yes,
you rightly said, sun is all of a, which we covered as a Panchabhuta. Sun is Agni Tattva. Means
yes,
due to the fire, lot of fireball, it can give the light, it can give the life, it can give the energy, all the sort of things. So that
yes.
our
And
people can know about this.
favorable placement of Sun in the horoscope, it brings us name, fame, power,
Exactly.
including good occupation, recognition, everything. It
Mhm.
has the power to grant us political power also.
Yes, yes, yes.
But on the other side, adverse placement can make a person arrogant, can make a person egoistic, and
Yes,
everything which is little on the negative side. But overall, it is the giver of life, and it has the power to give us everything what we want. Then numerologically speaking, it holds the number one.
Mm-hmm.
Number one, why? Because Sun is alone in himself.
Okay.
There cannot be any other planet which can come to its level, so it
Correct.
holds the number one. See, have so many colleagues in our office, right? But the boss is
Mhm.
always the one. So the
Correct.
Sun is the boss, and he is the one.
Okay.
So his importance can be realized with the fact that his
Mm.
presence brings hope and energy in the form of day, and his absence brings night in the form of dark.
Correct.
In order to have a glance, we should look at the different aspects of Lord Sun in view of the astrological importance, with
Okay.
analytic study based on Vedic astrology. So Manjunaji, will you explain the mythological sides of Sun?
Yeah, sure. Moving towards the, as you rightly explained, the role of sun in astrology, it's because the life on earth is sustained due to the sun. All
Yes,
things whichever you have explained for our viewers, as we are covering for our the main things. What is that? The main thing is a mythology of a sun. So here the sun is treated as a god. God because due to his humanly concept more than human, it has covered up godly figure because sun acts as a tridev, means Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara. How come Tridev means Brahma? Means it gives a, as you rightly said, it creates a energy, it creates a life. Then it acts as a like Vishnu, means it's a source. And Brahma is like something manager, means which manages our routines. And this one, the destroyer Lord Shiva, whenever there is a more sunlight, whenever there is what you say, there is a more sunburn, hot temperature, it can leads to dryness of a land, no water, people can die with the starvation of a life. So this acts as Tridev. As per mythology, the source of light and energy god, sun is a source of life, light and all energy in the cosmos, who is known as the Surya Narayana, means Surya Narayana Bhagwan, means the Lord. So God Surya Narayana is considered as the visible form of God, means which we can see daily and which we do the pranams and which we can worship daily. He is regarded as an aspect of Shiva and Vishnu by Shaivites and Vaishnavites respectively, as I have explained in the example also. So there is no alternating to life-giving rays for a Surya Deva,
Right.
because his rays acts as a life for somebody. Some saints are there. You might be knowing Hiralji, they are not taking food. With the source of light, they are living.
Yes.
So he is the most powerful and majestic viable god. Sun god is believed to be king of all planets and responsible for controlling all the movements and all those things. So whatever mythology says, according to Brahma Purana, everything is born of a god Surya only, because he is a cause of origin and the destruction of the universe as per the Brahma Vishnu Mahesh concept. The sun god is a dispeller of a darkness. He is a deity of great brilliance and considered to be supreme soul. So Lord Surya is also the cause who brings about the change of season in the universe. Means we say it is an Ayurveda Rutukal, means which changes the season wise, autumn, spring, summer, all those things. So it also it is also the sun god which acts pivot to the entire universe.
Universe.
So Sun Surya retains many characteristics of his Vedic forerunners, though he is no longer pictured as a handsome golden youth, but rather than the dark and red man because of the furiousness of the sun. With 3 eyes and 4 arms, like Vedic Surya, he rides in a golden chariot drawn by 7 horses. Each one represents one day of week also. But he is no longer directs the chariot himself, for he acquired a legless charioteer called as Arun, a brother of a Garuda who symbolizes the dawn. So at other times, his charioteer is said to be a Vivaswata, and the god himself is pictured as a copper colored. So dwarfish with the red eyes. So God Surya is considered to be the benefactor of a man. His symbol is a swastika. You might be knowing the swastika is a something, it is called as prana, and we use swastika more in the Ganesh Ji
Yes.
to avoid lot of this one whatever obstacle in the life. In Vastu also, the swastika plays major role. Many of the front doors you might be seeing in homes, the swastika has been reflected there.
Yes.
So he is celebrated as the killer of demons. On the occasion, terrifying demons tried to devour him but destroyed them with his light. This is a small astronomical story, the mythological story what we have covered for our viewers, because every story consists of 2-3 hours long, which we can't cover in this one. But we have covered the major things. What are the sun origin? How what is mentioned in the Brahma Purana for the mythological story of the sun. And
Right.
for our viewers, we can make them viewing of the bright sun with the astronomical image, which is measured in the telescope. See, whatever that orange shade, it is not an imagination of whatever the painter. It is a hotness of the sun here.
Yes.
And
So
sun have major different names. We Surya, Aditya, Arka, Aruna, Bhanu, Bhaskara, Dinakara, Dayumani, Ravi, Martanda, Vivaswatva.
yes.
So these many names, and sun has its own unique yantra also, which is a yantra. This yantra is more powerful in making a remedy. Means whoever having the weak sun, whoever having the low self-esteem, whoever having the problems with their bosses in the office, when anything remedy covered to the sun in morning sun hora and Sunday, if they draw this yantra with proper timings, with these they can input these colors to get the this thing, whatever that fruits of this one.
Yes.
And this is a yantra which total adds up to the 15 from any side.
Right.
So and sun has its unique keywords. Being a king, it has its own unique portfolio kind of. So we can proceed this thing, Hiralji.
Yes. So sun, as we all know, and we talked about it also, it is the most purest thing we can ever get it, because Agni, which is related to sun, Agni is the most purest, and sun is Agni himself. So he is the most pure. He is authority. He is burns also. More of sun. See, at 12 noon, the sun is at the above our head, and so it can burn us. So that is the time which we should take care, and he possesses the qualities of Lord Shiva, that is the destroying. But when we look at the um, morning side, early morning, when during the sunrise or during the sunset, it doesn't burn us. It is giving the effects of nourishment. So nourishment takes place in that period. But the one of the qualities of sun is also burning. It purifies. Obviously, sun is here to purify our soul, and that is the reason that we are born on this earth. Sun is the most divine. Sun is the light. Sun is God. He is the first pujaniya deity for us. Sun is our soul, as I already said. Father, fire. He is our father-in-law also. He energizes us and he heals us too. He is the male planet and a malefic planet too, but we would take as a total malefic planet. We will take it as a mild malefic planet, but it is a sattva graha. Sattva, why? Because it belongs to the fire sign. So fire is always sattva. It is sattvic. Without our soul we can't survive, so it is sattvic. Then it is related to the 7 chakras of our spine. We can't escape our fate, we can't escape our karma or free will until the 7 lessons are realized and mastered. So, as you said correctly before, that Kundalini awakening is only the beginning of our journey towards God, and that Kundalini awakening can be done only with the blessings of Lord Sun, Lord Surya.
So as we have covered for our major things, Hiralji, the main indicators, as you
Yes.
covered up, it's most sattvika. Means sattvika comes to the realization of these all things is done by whatever that realization we called is at the planet Jupiter. That is a guru. But the main awareness, period to that awareness, the path is set by the sun. As we know, Uttarayan, Dakshina, and Uttarayan, we used to get the more positive vibes as sun is going for exaltation point. That is the thing. We have covered up all the things for our viewers. So finally, we can go with the table for our viewers. The sun nature is authoritative, argumentative, and dominative. And consultations means the nakshatra ruled is Kritika, Uttra Falguni, and Uttarashada. You can see all the fiery signs are ruled by the sun. Means the Aries and the Leo and the Sagittarius.
Yes.
Means these are the main things. And the friendly planets comes with the all Agni Tattva only, but moon is a being some other Tattva, being it is near to sun, and in a planetary kingdom moon acts to be a queen of the sun. So that is the thing. So it acts to be Mars, Jupiter, and moon are the friendly planets here, and the enemy planets are the Saturn and Venus. Means Saturn acts to be a Saturn in a kingdom of a sun, a kingdom, overall kingdom. Saturn is a servant, and there is a mythological story involved. Lot of this because sun is a father, Saturn is a sun's son. So it has to be some mythological story, and Venus is all of a comfort. Whenever the sun goes, sun is a ruler, king. He don't want enjoyment, luxury. Means
Right.
sun belongs to the Kshatriya dharma. Means he has to hold on his dharma. He has to, the Kshatriya dharma has to fight for justice and save the people.
Right.
So it's an enemy planet. Neutral is a Mercury, and its own sign is a Leo. And Mool Trikona in Leo sign only 20 degrees a Mool Trikona, and it exalts in the Aries sign because, as you know, presently in a transit also the sun is in exaltation point.
Yes.
Because sun has more supreme power. Sun has, the rays was very powerful here. And as I rightly told, when it is in opposite direction, when it is tend to debilitate, somewhere around in our Indian festival, Diwali times, that sun tends to be, means that time that temperature is very low, the sun power is very low. Likewise, even we can generally say, whoever the powerful persons born, like Lord Ram, Hanuman, and all those things, they were born in the exaltation point of a sun. Means
Right.
we can say more strong souls. That's why remember, no? Because soul
Yes.
has never perishable thing. Soul
Right.
has journey from years to years. So these special features of a sun is round face, honey colored eyes, taste is a pungent, and metal is a gold and a copper. With respect to linking of chariot, and we have shown example for our viewers. And its precious stone is ruby. It is called
Yes.
as, in Sanskrit, called as manikya. And
Right.
Vimshottari Mahadasha, which we use in further videos. Vimshottari Mahadasha is a time periods, means one of the dasha. In 64 system of dasha, Vimshottari Mahadasha is one of the system of dasha which we uses for our prediction purpose, which was worldwide used. And it
Yes.
signifies courage, father, political power. And as you covered up, if it adversely placed, it is arrogance, jealousiness nature, and it preserve
Yes.
representation of
And
a,
I would like to add here that it is creativity also.
yeah,
We
it's
will
all about,
definitely reveal it to our viewers in our upcoming videos. But
correct.
the sun, he rules the fifth house. Fifth house is of creativity. And
Yes,
without sun's energy, nothing can be created on this earth. So he is of primary importance, and all the people into creative field, definitely they will be having a good sun in their chart, definitely at a good position or exalted in its own sign, maybe in Digbala. Anything is very much welcome in their charts. Only then a person can become a very good creator.
correct. So,
Yes.
and it is a representation of a government or father. Due to government is a authoritative, father is authoritative in the home. It's all of representation of authority more than the positions. So it is a representation of a government or a father. And body parts rules is a ruled by sun or a heart, brain, head, bones, chest, lungs, and stomach. See, these all are beginners of their life. With the beginning of a heartbeat, the child takes birth with the brain. These, whichever initiation point comes through the sun only. Head, eye is a initiation point, means it is a sensory organ. Through eyes only we can see. Chest, lungs, and might be stomach. Stomach is the initiation of prana energy. Whenever we input food, it goes to stomach. Then only
Yes.
it
And
creates
it
life.
holds fire also. It
Yes, it
requires
holds fire.
fires.
So these are things. Some diseases by sun is a weak eyesight, headache, bone weakness, and baldness, heart problems, epilepsy. Some problems of a sun means whenever the sun is not placed properly or might be imbalanced, might be falling to 6, 8, 12 houses. In
Yes.
coming episodes, we can cover up all the things. But basically, for our viewers, in a planet as a series of planetary things, means Grahas series, we have covered the first planet, that is sun. So I
Yes.
hope our viewers has got clarity about this. Though viewers has approached many videos in a YouTube, this is our honest trying of making them to understand very easily, because as per Jyotish, as per tradition, it has to be followed through grahas, bhavas, nakshatras, and followed by the system of prediction. So we are
Yes.
making it easy for viewers.
Yes, Manjuna ji, very nicely said. And here I would like to add a quick remedy for sun, that
Yes,
any
yes.
person who wants to raise their confidence level, they can just raise it their confidence by praying to Lord Sun. And they can raise their immune system also by praying to Lord Sun. In every morning, they can recite the Aditya Hridaya Stotram. They
Okay.
can recite Sun Surya's names and everything. They can give Arghya to the Surya. That will really help them to gain confidence. And anybody having stomach issues, as you said, that heart issues and everything, it can be covered by just reciting Aditya Hridaya Stotram. So I would request all the viewers having any sort of problems like these, they can go for this quick remedy. and after a few days you will realize the good effects of this remedy.
Yeah, sure. So I thank viewers for watching this video completely. I request viewers to, whenever they begin the video, they have to see it completely. Though they have a knowledge from all the sources, it is a must and should, because being a son is initiator of Jyotisha. As being Jyotisha students, view this complete video so that you can you can fetch entire information. All your valuable comments and suggestions are always welcome in our comment section. Please subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon button, and click the subscription button to receive all the updates. I thank viewers for viewing complete video. Namaste. Hare Krishna.
Namaste. Hare Krishna.